Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the heart of beauty products, giving you the honest, in-depth reviews you need to make informed decisions. Today, we're tackling a classic in the mascara world, L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Original and Waterproof Mascaras. Whether you're a mascara connoisseur or still searching for the perfect formula, you're in the right place. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on honest, expert reviews like this. L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Original Volume Building Mascara is a staple when it comes to creating bold, voluminous lashes. With the promise of up to 5x fuller lashes, this mascara offers impressive volume without the dreaded clumps. It's formulated with Panthenol and Ceramide-R to not only build volume, but also condition and protect your lashes over time. The formula is designed to go on smoothly, thanks to the volume-maximizing brush, which evenly coats your lashes from root to tip for a full, dramatic look. On the other hand, the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Waterproof Mascara brings that same signature volume, but with the added benefit of being waterproof. This version claims to build up to 4x fuller lashes while keeping the intense black pigment that makes your eyes pop. If you're someone who needs a bit more staying power, whether you're out in the rain or having a long day, this waterproof formula will ensure your lashes stay bold and voluminous. Now let's talk about how these mascaras perform in real-world conditions. I've been using the original and waterproof formulas in my everyday routine, and here's what I've noticed. The original mascara applies smoothly and builds volume without clumping, which is a major win for me. It feels lightweight, so no heaviness on the lashes, and I love how it creates that full, flirty lash look without the need for multiple coats. When it comes to the waterproof version, it's definitely a must-have for anyone who's tired of mascara smudging or running throughout the day. I wore it during a workout, and it held up. No flakes, no smears. The only thing I'd note is that it takes a little more effort to remove, so make sure you've got a good eye makeup remover on hand to get it off at the end of the day. Let's break it down. The pros of both mascaras are clear. First, both formulas are incredibly buildable, and the volume maximizing brush does a great job at distributing the product evenly across your lashes. The original formula is super easy to remove at the end of the day, while the waterproof formula offers long-lasting wear that doesn't budge. Both mascaras condition the lashes, which is always a plus for me, since we all want to take care of our lashes while making them look fabulous. As for cons, I'd say that the waterproof formula is a bit harder to remove, but that's really the nature of waterproof mascaras. If you're someone who's not into a little extra effort when taking off makeup, this might not be your favorite. Also, if you're expecting extreme curl holding power, you might want to use a lash curler before applying, as neither formula provides that kind of lift on its own. Now, is this mascara worth the price? Absolutely. At its price point, both formulas give you fantastic volume, length, and a bit of lash care, which is hard to beat. The longevity of the waterproof formula is especially great if you need something that stays in place through all kinds of weather, or even a sweaty workout. The original formula is perfect for a day-to-day lash boost with easy removal at the end of the night. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of mascaras on the market that also promise volume and length. However, not many offer the combination of lash conditioning and impressive volume that the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous series does. Some might be priced higher or lower, but I think this one strikes a nice balance of performance and cost. So, what's the final verdict? If you want voluminous lashes that pop, whether you're going for a dramatic look or something a bit more subtle, these mascaras are definitely worth checking out. I'd recommend the original for everyday use and the waterproof if you need that extra staying power. Overall, they live up to their claims and deliver on the promise of volume without clumping or smudging. Thanks so much for watching. If you're considering picking up these mascaras, check the description or comments for the link. And if you've tried them out already, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.